we've got everybody here. How's it going? We're here for day 81 of Fergus Tuna Day. We're in Albany, New York. Yes. And we have a very special guest.
Mike Flanagan's banjo is the special guest.
Yeah.
You can't see them because they're behind the camera, but we have all of Mike Flanagan's family are here.
These and some other people.
They're probably related.
So we're going to play, what's it called?
The jig that the Flanagan brothers recorded called Erden Gabra.
Lovely. 1, 2.
There we go.
Good luck.